What's up, Basic Fam? Welcome back to the Basic channel where we keep everything basic. I don't know if that's good or not.
Nah, it is.
We make it alright. We make do with it. But it is time. 2 weeks since our last video, and this video we're gonna be pulling out 2 winners for our giveaway. So with that being said, let's get right to it and take you to the drawing machine.
Oh, what is that?
That's our drawing machine.
Do you think I can catch it? Toss it up.
We'll try, yeah. Okay, ready, set, try.
Well, there's 3 names.
Hold on, let's see if you can catch it though.
Come on. Alright, got one.
And our winner is Logia1337. This guy's been following our channel for a long time, so thank you for all your support. We're gonna have you DM the team page, give us all your info if you see this, or we'll DM you soon, and then we'll work on how to get you your shirt. You pitch, I catch. No. Ah, you sick fuck. Okay, ready? Go. Oh, next winner. I don't know how to say this, so sorry. Easy? Or is it E-ass-E? I don't know. Thank you, brother. Or sister?
I don't know.
Thank you. Thank you for your support. We'll DM you too and work out how to get you guys your shirts.
Yep, so we'll probably DM you later on and get your address, and then we'll ship everything out to you guys. Maybe a week or so, but
give us time and I'll be face. We didn't forget you, man. We're still working on that banner.
Of course, we've been trying to get somebody to do the banners, so don't think we forgot about you.
It's gonna happen.
It's gonna happen, and we'll give you extra goodies for waiting this long.
Yep.
But to everyone who entered, thank you who entered. Thank you for supporting us.
It means a lot to us.
For reals, for reals. But next contest, 600?
Yeah. We can shoot for 750.
750 or 700?
750.
Alright, next subscriber benchmark on YouTube, 750.
Yup.
Get us there, give another giveaway.
Tell your mom, tell your dad, maybe
Tell
your
everyone.
sisters, tell everyone.
Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Help us reach the benchmark to have another giveaway. We love doing giveaways for you guys.
We do this for you guys.
It's our way to show appreciation for all the support.
Yeah. We just started off this channel fucking around and trying to document each other's builds, but you know, I mean, we've also wanted to try and dedicate this channel to everybody else. Underground.
Is that a freaking turtle in the sky?
Oh.
Fuck, I forgot what I was saying.
East side for
Best
life.
side.
Full.
So, fuck, I'm just gonna start all over again. So we originally started this channel just to document each other's builds, but we also started to dabble around and just record other people's builds, all the underground people who don't get to shine. So, you know, we're not the greatest editors, video editors, but we try to make do and we try to get you out there too. Thank you for your support. We'll see you guys around and on the road.
Thank you to all our sponsors and supporters as well.
Yep. You guys mean a lot to... You guys mean a lot to us. Alright, now back to our other business. We're gonna be working on my car. We're gonna be going back to my car. Some things have changed. A lot of things have changed. I don't know if you guys have been keeping up with the channel, but my car has been parked on multiple times, front end, side, but all of that is gone now. Let's go check it out. Bango! Got skirts, got Micah laying in the dog doo-doo. So, new front end, guys. Oh yeah. You know it's a 240 when zip tie your corner lights on. Is that gangster? Is that basic approved?
Oh gee.
I got a blue car with white accent and a lot of purple. Yee. And today we'll be adding black to the rear bumper. Trying to finally finish this kit. I'm gonna go, I have other plans for this car, but this kit is for now.
Ready for some bondage?
What the shit? What are we doing with that rope for real though?
I'm gonna break your headlights.
If you can tell or not, that side is droopy. That's why we call her Derpy. So we're gonna try and pull out this bar, see what else is bent. Should lift this up slightly. This should be up and level finally. Then I'll finally have a straight front end. And then we threw the hood on in like 5 minutes, so it's kind of crooked. We gotta fix that too. What is this guy doing?
Call it. Oh. Should I put it lower?
We'll put it right here.
Slippers up. Hold on. Check it. We don't want to go too much.
That's pretty good actually. That's good enough.
Pinched it.
Alright, you can always grab pliers.
Unpinch it. Good on you, sir.
It's an electrician's tool. It's how you pull wire.
Oh my god, you guys. Derpy 2.0 is officially not so derpy.
Still derpage.
Fuck you! The intercooler's dented in too.
If it was straight, it would look so bad.
Oh shit. But it's better than it was. Thanks brothers. We're gonna be trying to add some quick releases, but this gun is kind of broken. See if it works. Oh my god. My best friends fixed my car. Drift fix.
You wanna?
Go ahead, show the trick, show the trick. Yeah.
No matter. Whatever floats your boat.
It's up to you.
Yeah, that's like giving them a reason to pull me over more so than not having it on.
Well, it's kind of dark, so we can't see. But we fixed his derpage. His headlight's finally straight. His bumper's on completely, and his hood's actually on straight. Now, to the back. So dark.
Needed more fuses. Hopefully this fixes my problem. It's a 240. Problems never end. Alright, well, as you can tell, we didn't get the things entirely finished. We got a lot done thanks to my brothers, but we didn't get the car entirely finished before the sun went down. So we got the rear bumper mocked up. You can't see shit right now, but we got it mocked up. It just doesn't line up bolts wise. And then once we fix that, the car will be put together. It'll be miscolored, but it'll be put together.
So it'll be a 240.
And hey guys, I have a straight front end thanks to brother Logan and his bright idea, and Micah and his black hammer.
Oh, black hammer, huh?
Kurung. Oh my god. It looks so good, guys. It's straight. Unlike this guy, it's straight.
No one knows.
I'm pretty sure they know by now with all your gay antics.
It's just a play. It's all a show. It's not real.
Is it a show I can watch?
Who cares?
Right on, that's the end of this vlog.
Congratulations to all 2 winners.
There will be more winners, guys. There will be more giveaways. So don't forget to shout us out, subscribe, and share.
Share our channel. I swear, Logan. Why don't you just come off the closet?
His closet's too
I
big.
live in the closet. I have a matching closet.
Anyway, congratulations to the 2 winners. Next benchmark is 750 subscribers. So please, 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 we want to do more giveaways. It's all for you guys because you support our channel. So share our channel, do like, comment, subscribe, all of that business so we can get to the next giveaway.
Yup.
Till next time, catch you guys later. Shoots!
Bangle.
Just let me know so I won't let you. Interest, won't find a better than this. I swear, girl, you leave. Just let me know so